Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few ways to troubleshoot and fix your internet connection on Windows 10. This is something that might seem like a huge problem, but most of the time it's quite easy to fix. Let's start with the absolute basics. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you have a few small pictograms. One of these is the icon of your internet connection. Right-click on it and select Troubleshoot Problems. In your case, it could very well be that the symbol has a red cross on it. Your Windows 10 operating system does all the work with this method. It does a few standard checks, and it tries to come with a diagnosis of the problem. If the troubleshooter finds the problem, it often gives you the option to implement a solution. In my case, there are no problems, so I can't click on Implement Solution. If this doesn't fix your connection, you can go on to the next method. Again, you right-click on your internet pictogram. This time we are going for the second option. Open Network and Internet Settings. Next, select Change Adapter Options. This opens a new screen with all of the available adapters for your computer. So the connection that you want to fix is probably going to have a red cross on it. On my screen, you can see the red cross on the Ethernet adapter, which is normal as I don't have a network cable connected to my PC. Let's continue with the next step. You right-click on the Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter and select Disable. Wait a few seconds until the adapter is grayed out. We can enable it in the same way. Again, right-click on the adapter, but this time you select Enable. This refreshes the adapter settings. To be sure, it's best that you wait maybe half a minute before you test your internet connection again. Hopefully this was enough to fix the connection problem. If not, you can continue with the next step. In the same window, we are again going to right-click on the adapter, and this time we are going for the Diagnose option. This is similar to the first step. The Windows 10 OS is going to perform a few tests to pinpoint any problems with the adapter. In my case, there are no problems to be found. If the Diagnose option does find a problem, you can continue in this menu, and Windows offers a solution. You normally don't need to perform anything yourself, besides clicking Next a few times in this menu. If you are still experiencing problems, now would be a good time to reboot the PC. Depending on the issue, there is a decent chance that a simple reboot can work. For the next method, we stay in the window with the network connections. Right-click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. In the Properties window, we are going to double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Next, make sure that the option to obtain an IP address automatically is checked on. If you have a specific IP address, change it to the top option. Click on OK, and again, wait a few seconds before checking if the internet connection is back. If this option was already set, close this window and go back to the previous window. In here, we are going to uncheck the Internet Protocol version 4 box and click on OK. Open the same window by right-clicking on the adapter and select Properties. Check the Internet Protocol version 4 box once more and click on OK. Again, you can try if your internet connection is up and running. If not, we have one more thing to try that can fix your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. This is a bit drastic, but it has a big chance of working. We switch back to the Settings menu, scroll down and select the option Network Reset. A network reset removes and reinstalls all of the network adapters and sets other network components back to the original factory settings. This means that you probably need to reinstall other networking software. Normally, Windows remembers your Wi-Fi password, but it could be that you need to enter it again. So make sure that you know the password before you perform the network reset. Try this method last, as this might take a bit more effort than the previous solutions. Click on Reset Now to continue. Windows asks if you are certain that you want to reset your network features. Click on Yes to continue. So using the network reset is going to reboot your PC. As you can see on my screen, the internet adapters disappeared. Once the reboot is complete, they will be automatically installed. If you are still having problems with your internet connection, you would do best by taking a look at your router. It might very well be that the issue is not on your PC, but on one of your network components. You can check with your internet provider to be sure. Hopefully you have a working internet connection once more. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for future videos on Windows 10 or software. Comments or remarks are always welcome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.